ctrlX Core supports Ethernet IP connections to third-party PLCs, I/O and PROFINET connections to third-party PLCs, I/O and peripheral devices. Cyclic I/O, acyclic messaging, and master or slave configurations are possible. The packages are available for download from the ctrlX store. See the link in the text below this video. This video shows a brief overview of using the CODESYS Ethernet IP adapter, slave, to an external PLC with an Ethernet IP scanner, master. Here in ctrlX Engineering we can see the cyclic data exchange is active. This sample configuration includes 4 bytes of cyclic data in each direction. The PLC with the Ethernet IP scanner, master, confirms that cyclic data exchange is active. Turning on bit 0 of output byte 0 in the Ethernet IP scanner can be confirmed in the ctrlX Core Ethernet IP adapter. Writing data to each output byte in the master PLC allows confirming that the correct data is received. Writing data to each output byte confirming correct data is received. Repeat the process for outputs of the ctrlX Core PLC going to the master PLC. Verify the status in the slave and master. Thank you for watching.